Hi. In a recent video, where I compared VSL Synchron Strings Pro to other flagship strings libraries, I demonstrated how different libraries handle runs. When showing how Cinematic Studio strings sound, I made a mistake that was pointed out to me. I didn't use the correct articulation for that. Instead of using the regular legato, I should have used the marcato articulation, making sure that the spiccato overlay is turned off. This is how it sounds, and it's much better than in the previous video. That's it. Now stop watching videos and go write some great music.